Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Collena from Voice Savvy, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 essential tips and an exercise to really help you prevent vocal strain and maintain a healthy voice. So whether you're a singer, a public speaker, or someone who just extensively uses your voice a lot, then these tips, they're just going to be so invaluable. So stay tuned and let's get started. So tip number 1 is warm up your voice. And I know it's so obvious, but it's so important that we warm up. Just like athletes warm up their bodies, vocal warm-ups are a crucial part for preparing our voices for singing. Gentle humming, lip trills, strawing, they can really help to relax the vocal cords and just get them ready for action. Tip number 2 is practice proper breathing techniques. Deep diaphragmatic breathing really allows for better vocal control and support. So take deep breaths, expand your abdomen, inhale, and then release the air slowly as you speak or sing. Now, tip number 3 is all about staying hydrated. You've got to keep your vocal cords hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your vocal cords well lubricated. This prevents them from drying out. Avoid caffeine and alcohol because this can dehydrate the body. And then tip number 4 is take regular breaks. If you use your voice for extended periods of time, it's really essential that you're giving your voice some rest, and just make sure that you're speaking and singing at a moderate volume and pace as well, and just give your voice that time to recover. Tip number 5 is seek professional help if needed. If you're frequently finding that you're experiencing strain or noticing persistent vocal issues, then consult with a vocal coach or a speech and language pathologist, because they can really help you with personalized exercises, techniques and guidance just to improve your vocal health and get your voice on the right track again. Now, we're going to do an exercise in a moment which is called the chicken exercise that really helps to reduce vocal strain, and it may seem a little bit silly because you're going to be imitating a chicken, but it's such an effective way to practice vocalizing freely and easy without vocal strain. So yeah, let's do the chicken exercise. So we're just going to start out by going bop, 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 bop. So it's like you're saying Bob, but then you're just adding this funny chickeny kind of sound with it. Bop, 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 bop. 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 Bop, 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 bop. Once you get used to it, then we're going to take it to the scale. So yeah, let's take it to the scale.
So you just have to get a little bit silly with it. It's the only way. Keep it nice and chilled. Really give me those B's on the lips. And puff those cheeks for me. Nice, and we're bringing it back down. Good. Well done with this one. Alright, so now we're going to repeat it. So try and keep those repeats. Again, really using the B's on the lips. This is just going to help to support. Just kind of letting go a little bit with it.
These tips are essential to prevent vocal strain and maintain a healthy voice. Warm up your voice, practice proper breathing, stay hydrated, take regular breaks, and seek professional help if needed. Now, your voice is an incredible instrument, so you've got to take care of it. And that's pretty much it from me. And I know I kind of ran through all of those really quickly, but thanks for watching this video. Thanks for coming along to my channel. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and yeah, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the videos I'm posting. And you can also get some free training on my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. I've got some challenges on there, some teaching videos and training videos for you. So yeah, head over and download the app now. And until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.